Hedberg Supply, where the pros go. Since 1987, Hedberg Supply has been the Twin Cities' #1 supplier of natural stone and landscape materials. With a tradition of providing the widest selection of in-stock products, Hedberg Supply has the materials you need when you need them. Our long-time commitment to customer service means an ever-expanding selection of products that our customers are asking for. Since our early beginnings with landscape rock, we've actively expanded into natural stone, concrete pavers, retaining wall systems, outdoor living, water gardening, and nursery products. By joining forces with Site 1, Hedberg Supply is expanding even further, growing our nursery division, adding irrigation, and introducing agronomy for a complete 360-degree offering. With convenient locations in Plymouth and Stillwater, our teams work to keep your project stocked and crews busy wherever your site is located. No matter your focus or location, we've got you covered. Hedberg Supply, your one-stop shop for all your landscape needs.